Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change your discoverability settings on Twitter. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your account icon from the top left corner. A menu list will appear. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Privacy and Safety. Now select Discoverability and Contacts. If you want to let others find you by your email, tap the slider beside. And if you want to let others find you by your phone number, tap the slider beside. You can also sync address book contacts, so that contacts from your address book will be uploaded to Twitter, to help connect you with your friends and personalize content. So in this way, you can change your discoverability settings on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.